In a world where everyone is unique, one thing brings us together: the joy of sharing. Picture a child sharing toys, a simple act, yet it's an embodiment of pure love and kindness. Sharing is not just about giving away things we don't need, but about spreading happiness. It's in the small acts like helping a neighbor that we show we care. Picture a young person extending a hand to an elderly neighbor, carrying heavy groceries. It's a simple act, but it conveys a deep sense of respect and caring. Or imagine a group of people rolling up their sleeves, planting trees in a community garden. They're not just sharing their time and effort, they're sharing their love for the environment and their community. When we share our time, effort, and resources, we make our communities stronger and more vibrant. Sharing a meal, a moment, or a smile creates bonds that last a lifetime. Consider, if you will, a family inviting another to share a meal. The laughter, the stories, the shared experiences, they weave a tapestry of connection and unity. And then there's the simple act of donating clothes to a shelter. It's more than just a piece of fabric, it's kindness wrapped in care. Each act of sharing, no matter how small, is a step towards a more caring and inclusive world. Sharing knowledge empowers others and helps us grow together. Imagine a child, their face lit up in wonder as they flip through a shared book, their world expanding with every page. Picture a friend in distress, their burdens lightened by your presence, your willingness to share in their pain. These are the moments where sharing transforms from a simple act to a powerful catalyst for change. Sharing our time and empathy can heal wounds and bridge gaps. Every act of sharing adds a thread to the fabric of our society, making it stronger and more colorful. This ripple effect of kindness reaches far and wide, enriching our lives and the world around us. Sharing is caring for ourselves, for others, and for the world. Keep the chain of kindness going.